Hey, guess what came in the mail today? Some of you guys will know the rest of that. Alright, so this is a great day. This is a video I've been wanting to make for a long time. Alright, so these nuts are part of what's making this such a great day, but really the main part is right here, which I will show you in just a minute. Man, I hate those dogs. But anyway, first I want to talk a little bit about the wheels that are currently on my car. And also, please ignore how dirty the car is because it's been super cold. And we've had some snow and there's salt on the roads. And so the good thing is tomorrow it's going to be like 55 degrees or something. So it will definitely get a washing tomorrow. Unfortunately, it didn't rain. So the salt is still on the roads. But anyway, I'm still going to clean the car tomorrow. But back to the wheels. So when I bought this car, it had these wheels on it, and I think they're awesome. I think they look really good for this car. So if this was the non-Nismo version of the 370z, I would definitely keep these wheels. They're 20-inch and they look really good on this car. But I have to admit, I was a little disappointed when I went to go look at it that the previous owner had changed out the factory forged rays. So really, since the time I bought this car, I've been keeping my eye out for the factory Nismo wheels, specifically the gunmetal ones that came on the 13 and 14s, and they're pretty hard to find. So I was really close to ordering new ones from Z1 Motorsports, and you know, it's like $1,900 plus shipping, and then you got to add tires on top of that, and didn't even include center caps, so that was like another $100 or something like that. I can't remember. Anyway, it was like $4 grand total. So I didn't really want to spend that much. Considering that these wheels look so good, there really was no justifiable reason to spend that kind of money, except for the fact that I just wanted the factory wheels again. So a few nights ago, I was looking at the 370z forums and clicked on the classified section, which I haven't done in a while, and sure enough, somebody was selling the gunmetal factory Nismo wheels from a 2014 Nismo, and amazingly, he was also in Knoxville. So I contacted him right away, and the next morning we had a deal. So let's take a look at what we got. So here's one of the wheels for the rear, which you've all seen before, but in my opinion, it's hard to argue that any company's ever made a better looking factory wheel. I just love these things and I'm so happy to have them, but to top it off, make it even better, the guy that I bought them from had Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's on them, and there's plenty of tread left. I think he only had about 9,000 miles on them, so I'm super excited about putting these on. So the reason this Adams bucket is here is because as soon as I got the wheels home, I took them outside even though it was snowing, and filled this bucket up with some warm water and Adams car shampoo, because I'm all out of Adams wheel cleaner. I'll have to order some more. But anyway, cleaned them up real nice. One of the fronts does have curb rash on it a little bit. I knew that before I bought them, and I'm going to definitely have that fixed. All right, so before anybody asks, I do have other sweatshirts. This is the sweatshirt that I'm always wearing, it seems like, in these videos. It's the one I put on when I'm in the garage and working on cars and stuff. Alright, so it's Friday evening. Today was a long day at work. I am not putting the wheels on tonight because, like I said, tomorrow's supposed to be about 55 degrees, so it's going to feel like summertime compared to how it's felt lately. it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon in Knoxville, and I'm finally going to wash the car, so I won't video that. You've seen me do that a bunch of times, but I will show you the results afterwards. But before I wash the car, I want to say again how happy I am to actually have the factory wheels with really, really nice tires. Between getting rid of the rattles and the tire noise, it's like a whole new car, and the exhaust sounds really, really good now. So the last thing I want to point out about these wheels is that the tires that are on them are actually wider than they come from the factory, so it's a nice flush look in the front. It's just slightly recessed in the back. It's not quite flush, but it's exactly how I like it, so I'm not changing anything. If I had to get new tires, I would get the same size again. So there's the view from the back, and you can see the fitment, which I think is perfect. Anyway, time to wash the car. So besides being great looking, they're also super easy to clean. Alright, I got the wheels cleaned, foam gun, rinse bucket, wash bucket, and I have to do this pretty quickly because as you can see the sun's shining right on the car. Alright, so the car's back in the garage. That was probably the fastest wash in history, but the good thing about this time of the year is there's no bugs that you have to work on getting off, so it was pretty quick. Got it in the garage, blew it off with the leaf blower a little bit, and now I'm going to put some Adams detail spray all over it and then dry it off with the microfiber. Alright, so it's all dried off. Looks so much better, and it was nice to be able to wash the car again. But anyway, final step is to put the VRT on the tires, and then I'm calling it a day. Alright, so the car is washed, the car is dried, VRT is on the tires. I'm telling you guys, I'm so happy with the way this looks right now. So I just mentioned a few minutes ago before drying the car that I was going to spray it with Adams detail spray, and here's why. Look how good that looks. There's no wax at all in this car right now, basically, and it still looks like that. That's great stuff. Anyway, guys, 65 degrees out, no sweatshirt today, so thanks again for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I would definitely appreciate that. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks.